So yeah, I just wanted to actually ask Alan on what would it take to actually get one of these cars going. So
Yeah, so what you would do is you would essentially acquire your 911 either an
真似できないよこのスワッグ俺たちにしかないスワッグ肩の力抜いてラックラック遊び働いて曲が
Well guys, back on the second day on the show here. I get the rest of the crew with me. Hopefully they can help me do some videoing today. I get Sarah, Hannah, and Gabe with me. So we'll do some good coverage today and see what we can do. And hopefully the show will be awesome and see Nakai do more magic. So here we go. Part 2. Well guys, we're inside the driven show now. I'm trying to catch up to the build there because I'm actually an hour late. So hopefully I didn't miss too much. It's going to be the finish, so stay tuned. We're now in the second day of the build, and as you can see, Nakai pretty much just finishing up the 997.2. Last night, what an amazing night. I missed the chop off portion of the whole build, but getting the fenders and pretty much the finishing touch, and I was able to see his taping, the whole siliconing of the defenders pretty much, and it's all done. It's almost finishing up. I was able to actually interview the owner, James, and his son James, and at the same time the owner of this 996 wide body as well here.
Has a mind of its own though.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
is gonna make it in my dad's YouTube channel. Okay, prelude. Okay. Oh my god, I have to tell you. Hold on.
Big James, almost done, man. So what do you guys think? Almost done?
The car?
Yeah,
We're thrilled. It's amazing.
yeah, that is great.
Very happy.
Precision.
Excited to see it back down on the ground.
Oh, that's for sure. So what is the sort of the process? Are you guys gonna ship it over, or like is it gonna stay here for a little bit, or what?
Well, it's going to be here for a while. There are a few more car shows.
Okay.
And then it's gonna go to-
In Calgary.
It'll be here for a
Okay. So,
while. All right,
anyways,
it's good seeing you
all right,
again. Oh, and thank you for switching that.
for sure, I will. Yeah,
Yeah, just
yeah. I want to touch base with you, the
you
company
have my
info. though.
personal one, but
Yes.
don't use that one. Use
For
the
sure.
company.
I will.
Okay?
I will
All
talk
right,
to you.
thank
Yeah. As James Jr. said, he's pretty happy with the build. It looks like it's a great addition to their the third fleet of third car of RWB. As you can see, they have that one, and they have this one as well, and they also have one at home too. So in New York. Anyways. final touch on the RWB 911 997.2 here, and I have Alan with me. He's the head marketing Canada-wise here, and so yeah, I just wanted to actually ask Alan on, what would it take to actually get one of these cars going?
Yeah, so what you would do is you would essentially acquire your 911, either an air-cooled or a water-cooled 911, and then the process starts whereby you email RWB Canada, or you send a message on Instagram to us, and then we work with you in terms of getting you the appropriate kit for your 911, and then we build it out from there. Then we figure out your a la carte options that you want, if you want anything to go on top of that, and then we give you, essentially we work with Nakai, and then we get a date settled for you for your build date, and then we go from there.
Awesome, thank you so much. Oh, so Alan, in terms of this car here at the moment that's been worked on, owned by James there, what would be sort of the pricing in terms of from the buying of the car to the actual finishing?
Yeah, so 30,000 US is where you're going to be starting at for your essentially your basic kit, right? So that's going to be your front bumper and your fenders for like the wide body, and then from there it's an a la carte process where you can add on whatever wing that you want, whatever hood that you want, interior, there's RWB seats, RWB steering wheels, and then you figure out whatever wheels that you want in your suspension, and of course your engine work. So sky's really the limit of how far you want to take it.
That's awesome. Yeah. And so anyways, thank you so much again for everything here since last night. I've been grateful to actually talking to you, and as well as James and James Jr. Amazing guys to work with, and Nakai is just an amazing artist there. Absolutely. To actually do the work. First experience, so
I'm glad you're enjoying
it. Really awesome. Anyways, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming out.
Thanks, Alan. Congratulations, James.
Thank you so much.
Is that it? I think so.